Hi guys.
We're gonna go for a walk?
Yes.
Alright, now go. I'm a monster. I sold his Lamborghini. It was the very first Power Wheel he has ever owned. And it's the only gift I actually went out and bought him. It's kind of hard to believe, but yeah, I literally didn't buy him a single gift because he's spoiled. I kind of have a Power Wheel addiction now, which is pretty awesome. Because a lot of people give it away for free. I collected, I feel. This Polaris is pretty badass. I can't believe I got it for free. It seemed like originally like 500 bucks. Cadillac free. Princess thingy-majigger free. So I mean, I got like little projects I can paint and do with Vincent. So that's pretty good. More project cars. Oh yeah, I have a minivan. A brand new minivan. Still got temp tags, man. Yeah, I'm gonna make some videos about this one. Interestingly enough, the people actually use my video for this stuff. A lot of people damage their mirrors and look to fix it. So definitely gonna do that video. Anyhow, guys, I'm gonna go back. Got a new baby too. Shit's crazy.
I got a new car. Yay!
Yay! Hit my ride. Now I'm gonna add some rims and lower it.
Oh yeah!
Since very first Power Wheel, back in the day. Go. Now you're so heavy. Okay, get up.